Hello and namaste to all the viewer. And in this video, I want to explain about the what is actually happiness. According to my perspective, what actual happiness is. Happiness can be different thing for a different person. Like someone may be happy by having a money, or someone may be happy by having a relationship that may be with her father, mother, and other girlfriend, boyfriend. That's the another case. But what is actual true happiness? Like in case of career, jobs, success. Now, according to my perspective, I think that the person who is richest in the world may not be happy, or the person who is like middle class, or who only able to feed their family and do not have too much luxury life, but he is really happy in life. How does then happiness is brought or defined? Like what makes someone happy? I think the answer is the satisfaction. We should be able to satisfied with what you have. Like someone may have bicycle, someone may have bike, someone may have car. But if someone having the bicycle thinks in a way that he don't have to at least walk, he at least have a bicycle, then he will be satisfied with what he have. But let us suppose another case. In this, the person having a motorcycle may think, why don't he have car? And he will be not happy with what he have. That is his motorcycle. That is the different perspective. We should be satisfied with what you have. We shouldn't compare with the others. A comparison makes you always depressed, unsatisfied, and that will bring the negative emotions in you. Satisfaction is the main factor for the happiness. And another thing for happiness is we should be happy with the small thing for what we have. Like we should be happy for we have our parents. Many people in this world do not have parents, and we should feel ourselves lucky and happy that we have parents. And we should be satisfied for having or being able to eat 2 meals a day, two times meals, or 3 times, because most of the people in the poor countries or underdeveloped countries, they are not able to access what you can access. And someone can say that, how does growth come then? If you are satisfied with what you have, then why you want other thing or higher thing? Then another question. That's a good question. Like if you think, but we have to look at the balanced perspective. We have to be satisfied with what we have, but we have thought to be grow. Like we shouldn't compare with other people. That will make us unsatisfied, because every like if you are the topper of your school, then you may compare with the topper of the other school, which is better school. I mean to say, there, so there is always competition in you. By comparing, you will never be satisfied, because there is always higher person than you in this world. That's it for the happiness. And the main theme for this video, main idea that I want to deliver to you, all of the guys watching this video, is satisfied with what you have and avoid the trap of comparison. Comparison make you kill from the inner side, and negative emotions will be so satisfied with what you have, and start to enjoy the small things, like enjoy eating food, like enjoy walking, because many people do not have access, do not cannot walk because they are disabled. They may not have food, but you have, and that brought your satisfaction in the life. That's all of it, guys. I hope you like this video, and I do not say you like my channel, subscribe, like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel, but just learn from it. Learn and start to think in that way, like that what I have explained. Satisfaction, not comparing with others and enjoying the small things. Thank you very much, guys.